Hello everyone, this is Hunter. Today I'm going to talk about the download project for our PI HMI. There are three methods to download the project: USB cable, Ethernet cable, and the last one is the USB flash driver. So for the first one is the USB cable. Our USB cable is something kind of this D-type port. So we need to plug it into this USB-B port. So after we plug it into the HMI, and it will be detected by the PC. So we can see if it detected, it will show this USB download, and we can click this PC to HMI. So after it downloads successfully, we will see this, it will automatically reboot. And the second one is to use the Ethernet cable. So we need to plug into this Ethernet cable first. So same with use the download tool, and we will see that it to use this Ethernet port. So we need to know this HMI IP. So let me access the background stage. So we can see that its IP is in this Ethernet network tab. So we can use input in this IP into this download tool. So when we finish it, we can also click this PC to HMI. Same as with the first one. After it downloads successfully, it will reboot automatically. So we can see that it is successfully downloaded. And the last one is the USB download. So USB download, we need to use this USB disk download, and use this USB driver and plug it into the desktop. So we need to browse the USB path and to save the project file, and we can see that it is show the file name is the project.ofs, and then we can click OK to make it. So this is the reserve option for the previous project. So if I don't want to save the previous one, so I can click directly click OK. So we can see that it pop up making success, which means it saved the file successfully. Then I can plug off the USB then plug into this USB-A port. So let me access the background stage again. So we can see that there is a tab for the USB update. So if the USB is detected, we can see that it is project point OS will be detected by this HMI. First, to click this file and click download. So if it's successfully, it will pop out this window, and we can click restart. So this is our only content I present today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.